Unleash the power of hassle-free waste management with Dump It Dumpster Rentals, your go-to solution for top-notch dumpster rental services. Dumpster Rental Concord, New Hampshire, has never been this effortless and efficient. Let Dump It Dumpster Rentals be your partner in transforming how you manage waste, because simplicity is the key to a cleaner tomorrow. Dump It Dumpster Rentals takes pride in offering more than just bins. We provide a commitment to environmental responsibility. Embrace the simplicity of our rental process and experience the freedom of letting us handle the waste while you focus on what matters most. For seamless waste solutions, contact us at 603-366-1511 or www.dump-itdumpsterrentals.com. We believe in making your dumpster rental experience as easy as possible. Our user-friendly website provides all the information you need, and our dedicated team is just a phone call away to assist with any inquiries. Join us on the journey towards responsible waste management, where every disposal is a step closer to a brighter environmental future. At Dump It Dumpster Rentals, we understand that time is of the essence. That's why our efficient services extend beyond just drop-offs and pickups. We offer flexible rental periods, prompt deliveries, and transparent pricing to streamline your experience. No more waiting around or navigating complicated rental processes. Dump It Dumpster Rentals delivers simplicity, reliability, and the assurance that your waste management needs are in capable hands. Experience the next level of dumpster rental services with us, where your convenience is our priority.